Number 39. X is a positive integer. Dividing x by a positive number less than 1 will yield, and we're supposed to choose. Okay, so let's say that x is a positive integer. We know that is the true statement. So let's just pick a positive integer. I'm just going to make one up. I'm going to say, let's do 15. Remember, an integer cannot have a decimal or a fraction. It has to just be a whole number. So a positive 15. And I'm just making that up. You could use any positive number there. Dividing x by a positive number less than 1. So we can't go down into the negatives or we wouldn't have a positive number. So it has to be a fraction. And I'm going to use, I'll use the decimal form. Let's use a half. Okay, it's less than 1, but it can't dip down into the negatives. It has to be a positive number, less than 1. So they're telling us that it must be a positive number less than 1. So it must be a fraction or a decimal. So let's see what we get on the calculator. So I'm going to do 15 divided by 0.5. And we got a positive 30. So let's go back here and see which one of these fits. A number greater than x. Well, x was 15, and the answer is 30. So yes, that is a true statement. A number less than x. X was 15, 30 is not less than that. A negative number. No, if you divide a positive by a positive, you will not get a negative number. And an irrational number, we didn't really get into that, but 30 is not irrational. It's a number, it's a solid integer positive number. So I'm going to just call that one false. So the answer you want here is A. If you get one of these types of questions, I recommend substituting real numbers in there instead of the x values, and that will help you think it through. But this is not an easy question, in my opinion.